Hi everybody, it's Katrina. So I'm just bringing you my little Frisbee concept. This is just one of the ones that I'll be doing. Thank you, Still Classy, for all your inspiration and definitely inspiring us to get started on these Frisbees. So glad I found them because I have a bunch of these. So this is what I term Mod Podge because it is not themed. It's just a mixture of items for kids to play with. So I'll tell you what I put in here. First of all, I put a color bomb in there because these, if you remember, came out at Christmas. And I was able to pick these up for, I believe they were about 13 cents or so. They were on sale. And this was one of the big sales. Of course, we have our plushie in here, which is a dinosaur. Can't forget the sidewalk chalk. All right, and then we have our um, activity set. That's an Easter activity set that I got for a penny. I got a whole bunch of those. Had to go back and figure out where I got them from. I got them at Dollar General for a penny. I went back through my receipts. And then I picked up some crazy straws, and those came from Dollar Tree. All right, and I don't know if you remember that Dollar Tree had these little games that were in a good size, but they were the paper kind, travel kind, that we used or that we picked up. All right, and this is one of them. And this is Battleship. All right, and I picked up several of these games. Battleship, picked up the Monopoly. All right, and that's what I'm using for some of these Frisbee concepts. All right, so I have the Battleship game in there. And this is a all-around basket. I'm using Dollar Tree pool bows. I need to get some smaller pool bows. I've ordered several things. I'm going to order some more pool bows because I will be using a lot of pool bows this year. On the back here, I have one of my little shovels that I made, if you saw that short. And this is the little shovel with the candy that was inspired by Jonna with the big shovels, and then inspired from Vanita for me on how to do the little shovels. Because I wasn't real sure what I was going to put in those. But I decided to add the candy in them and just add them to the baskets. All right, and then we have 3 eggs here. All right, and I have these dinosaur cups that I added in here. And this cup, of course, I turned it upside down and put the eggs on top. And then I have this dinosaur 3D puzzle back here as well for the kids to play with. All right, and then we have our crown bubble gums. This is one of my signature things. I love putting these in my Easter baskets. The kids love them. And it's just the Crayola Crown bubble gums. They're a lot of fun for the kids. And then I had several of these Tootsie Rolls left over that have not expired. They will not expire until next year. So I decided to go ahead and use these in this concept with the Frisbees. So that is what the back looks like. And then these are some stickers that I got at Dollar General for a penny. And I had a couple of those. So I said, let me go ahead and use those in here as well. So this is a cute little basket. And it is mainly set up for a boy. But a girl may like this basket as well. And like I said, I'm shopping my stash. I have not bought any new toys. These toys are all toys from last year. And the only thing I did buy was the plushies because I did not have any plushies at all. All right, but we all know I got plenty of sidewalk chalk. All right, and then I have another bag that's got a whole bunch of coloring books in it and crowns and all of that. So I'll be pulling that out as I get deeper into the Frisbee concepts because I only have 3 of those games. So I'll be doing 3 of the concepts like that. And I only have a few more of those color bombs. So I will be doing a few more like this. All right, and that is what my Frisbee concept is looking like. At least the first one. There will be several more of these that I make as well. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for all of your support. Be blessed. But most importantly, y'all, continue to be a blessing. Bye-bye.